What is Laghu Bhagavatamrita? In Laghu Bhagavatamrita, the author, Srila Rupa Goswami, puts to rest the age-old debate among Vaishnavas of different bona fide sampradayas. That is, Ramanuj, Madhva Tattvavadis and Madhva Gaudiyas, about Narayan, Ram or Krishna being the source of all incarnations. What does Srila Prabhupada say about Laghu Bhagavatamrita? Prabhupada says in his purport to Chaitanya Charitamrita, Adi Lila, chapter number 5, text number 40, in considering the quadruple forms of the absolute personality of Godhead, known as Vasudev, Sankarshan, Pradyumna and Aniruddha, the impersonalists headed by Sripad Shankaracharya have interpreted the aphorisms of the Vedanta Sutra in a way suitable for the impersonalist school. To provide the intrinsic import of such aphorisms, however, Srila Rupa Goswami, the leader of the 6 Goswamis of Vrindavan, has properly replied to the impersonalist in his Laghu Bhagavatamrita, which is a natural commentary on the aphorisms of the Vedanta Sutra. What is the content of this course? This course is divided in 2 parts. In the first part, following the traditional Nyaya methodology, the author succinctly but very solidly delineates epistemology and then elaborately describes ontology, raising purva paksa, refuting it and establishing the siddhanta, that is true conclusive principle. Different expansions of Sri Krishna, mahāvasthas and parāvasthas, along with different categories and subcategories, are described systematically and analytically, frequently referring to Bhavartha Dipika, which is a commentary on Srimad Bhagavatam by Srila Sridhara Swami, and different scriptures like Mahabharata and Puranas. In the second part, sweetness of different categories of devotees is described, ultimately culminating in sweetness of Krishna Prema of Gopis of Vrindavan, especially Srimati Radharani. The course includes explanations from Saranga Rangada, the commentary on Laghu Bhagavatamrita by Srila Baladeva Vidyabhusana.